Mastering phrasal verbs, the power of break away. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today's lesson is about a popular phrasal verb, break away. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, but they are an essential part of English, and using them properly can make your English sound more fluent and natural. The phrasal verb, break away, generally means to separate from a group or to stop being part of something, often to start doing something more independently. It can be used in both literal and figurative situations. Remember, context is key when using and understanding phrasal verbs. Let's dive into some examples to understand how break away is used in sentences. 1. During the tour, a small group broke away from the main party to visit the museum. In this sentence, broke away means that a group of people physically separated from a larger group. After years of working for the corporation, she broke away and started her own business. Here, broke away is used in a figurative sense. It means that she left her corporate job to become independent by starting her own business. The young bird was finally able to break away from its cage. This usage of break away means to escape from confinement or control. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to create your own sentences using break away. Remember, you can use it in different contexts, so get creative. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use the phrasal verb, break away. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to break away from your comfort zone when learning English. Remember, the more you use phrasal verbs in your daily conversations, the easier it gets. Until next time, happy learning!